Hi there, I'm Henry, a digital presenter that can speak in your video. Today, let's speak about video production on a budget. What to look for when deciding on an affordable video production service. 1. How does the business estimate cost? Understanding how video production costs are calculated is essential once you have a budget in mind. While most organizations have a standard hourly wage, there are certain exceptions. 2. Keep an eye out for flashy equipment. When you're trying to keep your video costs down, focus on the story. There's no guarantee that swanky equipment and extra bells and whistles will help you obtain the results you want from your video. 3. How will you calculate the ROI? If you're looking to get a good return on investment, consider whether or not a video may help you do that. It's critical that you know exactly how your video will be used and leveraged to generate income for your company. To choose a video production on a budget, it's essential to know what factors influence the final cost. In the end, it's all about how your video connects with your audience and how effective it is in attracting new clients. Elai can help you generate limitless videos that will wow your audience, all due to digital presenters that can narrate your text in 65 languages. Make Elai your first choice when looking for an affordable video production service. Are you excited to try it out? Let us know in comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye from Elai.